If your Skoda infotainment screen suddenly freezes, lags, or stops responding, don't assume it's a major fault. The MIB modular infotainment system is advanced, but like any smart system, it can experience temporary glitches. The good news is, most issues can be fixed with a simple reboot or reset. Before heading to the dealership, there are a few quick troubleshooting steps you can safely try while the vehicle is parked. Important steps. 1. Press and hold the power button on the infotainment unit for 10 to 15 seconds until the system restarts to perform a soft reboot. 2. If the issue continues, go to Settings, then Factory Settings, and select Reset to perform a factory reset. 3. Before doing a factory reset, back up important data like save stations and contacts, since this process erases user information. 4. If the touchscreen is completely unresponsive, disconnect the car battery for 5 to 10 minutes to perform a hard reset following your owner's manual instructions. 5. Check the settings menu for a screen calibration option if touch response seems inaccurate. 6. Look for available software updates through Skoda's official app or website, especially for newer MIB3 systems.